Today I'm going to show you guys all my slime that I have. So I'm just going to bring Rosie in.
I also have a red one. Mama stuck my video.
Sorry. There she is. Cutie. Rosie. Okay. Guys, you need to see her. Look. She's like, what are you doing? What are you doing?
My red slime.
Okay, so first slime that I want to show you guys is this red one. Let's open up this red one. So here's the red one. When you stitch it out, it looks like this.
So yeah. And all my slimes. And hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Comment down below what type of video you guys want me to do next. And
Look, a jump rope. A jump.
like,
A jump rope. A jump rope. I haven't made videos for a long time, so I hope you guys like this video. Together. Sorry. Next one that I want to show you guys is this yellow one. Oh. That was in the way. The yellow one. So if I can make this yellow. I made this one yesterday. All of them I made the one yesterday, but except for this one. I'm making my video.
Oh, okay. So I'm gonna upload it later.
Okay, upload it later.
Yeah, because then it's the video done.
You can upload it right now.
No, you don't.
But here it is.
I'm gonna do
Let's stretch it out.
Look for iPhone 6 Plus, iPhone 8.
Oh my God, Becky. Oh my God, Becky. Did you say Rosie?
No.
She looked me on.
Ew.
Okay. Look at the other one. That was funny. You want to go I'll put this in here. Straight. Now. Next one is this poopy one, the poop one, which I use for babies. The baby died for the prank. That prank. Thank you, prank. This is the only one that has glitter. The other ones don't really have glitter. I only use this one because I don't really like it. So it's the poopy one. That's why I don't know poop. I'm gonna take it out. What it looks like. So I know, right? Disgusting. If I better get it. So it doesn't really stick, but ew. Let's show you guys a surprise when I take it out. I don't like this. So I'm not gonna give you a surprise, but yeah. Well, my hair's so messy, but ew. gonna take it out for a while. Whoa, it's falling down. Whoa. That was weird. But here's the poopy one. Just gonna show you guys and roll it in a ball. I don't like it. I'm a bed, I'm a bed, I'm a bed, I'm a bed. Stop, guys, but look, it's gross.
It's okay.
So, put it back. I said it's okay. Gonna put it back. Now the blue one. So here it is. I like this one the most because it's color blue, my favorite color, and it matches my minion. If you guys know that I like Minions, I love Minions. That's why I have a Band-Aid. I also like Bob. Well, this is really cool too. The other one. So here it is. One of the poopy one. So I'm just gonna wrap it around my finger so I can show you guys. My finger. But good. Well, yeah. Good. Wrap this up too. Now it's time for the ending. Wait. Thank you guys for watching my video. Subscribe, like, comment down below. What color do you like the best? You like this sky blue one, this poopy one, this red one, or this greenish yellowish one, which is gonna be yellow. Wait. Toodles! Wait, one more thing. She wants to say something to you. Toodles! Bye.